Hey, it's me again. So, um, oh, my son actually sees that little red button, like right there. It's weird. Ooh, ooh. Right there. You can't see it when I post it, but I can see it right now. My son actually he paused it. He actually he stopped it so I can make him a sandwich. A sandwich. Now kicked it back to the bedroom, and yeah, it's mom's time. I've been kind of hoarding them all today. Um, just had to kind of quarantine myself off here. It's probably why I feel so down in the dumps. But you know what? I can always start it over, right? I actually want to have a coffee. Good old coffee. I don't know. Um, it's not funny. But anyhow, like I was gonna say, can't remember what I was gonna say now. Good old walking down the stairs trick. I'm gonna have coffee. Even with my disgusting cream, I'll just take out the slugs, right? Right, Mikhail? Who's Mikhail? I don't even hear any of that anymore. I think it was, it was Adam McHale off of 102.3 Now Radio. Shout out to the Now family, which I am gratefully a part of. To them all. I'll shout them out each separately. Anyways, I used to always listen to 102.3 Now Radio. It was a text radio, and it was like their very first time, and it was like, text radio, like big whoop. But it was like awesome songs, and I had the greatest host ever, best morning show ever. Anyways, the slugs. I remember this one. One conversation they were having. This is maybe 5 or 6 years ago. I've been listening to them since 2011. 2, 3. And I just want one. And they were saying something about putting in cream, but you got these things called coffee slugs. Coffee slugs, that's like when it's all like curdled, not curdled, but it's on the brink, and you like pour it in, it's like bloop, it goes around your cup. It's fucking nasty. But mine was like chunky. So what do? Being lactose and all. What the fuck am I doing here? You just scoop those out, right? But that's what I had to do today. That's what I'm gonna do now. Not leaving my house. High risk and all. I'm glad that fight's over. I'm just, going through mixed emotions. I'm emotional. I've got a lot of emotional baggage that I'm carrying, and, set apart from being a mother, and, and going through all these things, and, I'm having a hard time opening up my email. I didn't even answer my phone today. I even had numbers from Quebec and Ontario phone me. Like, I don't know, it's probably because of my bills. Whatever, it's all work out, right? But, anyhow. But this is my quiet time. I might actually these little snotheads to friggin' bed and watch a movie while they go to bed. I get some done. Yeah, I did actually clean my kitchen today. Excuse me. And try to listen to some music, and you know, my sister found my vape today, so yeah. But anyhow, excuse me. Yeah, at the wedding, like I can't boast more about the wedding. Like my sister is so gorgeous, you know. I'm getting all teary-eyed even thinking about it. It's a magical day. I hadn't, you know, when do we ever get around to be to be family and to be normal and like get dressed up, right? Like, I bet you nobody had an idea that I even got dressed in the freaking Walmart parking lot. I know even me, even put my dress on, I put over my big mustard sweater. I just, you know, shimmied my way through into a dress. What I did, and changed the boys right in the parking lot here, slapped the shirt on here, slapped this shirt on, yeah, but anyway, she found my vape, or he found my vape, and 75 cents fell in my wallet. I want that back. No, I'm just kidding. I told her to keep it. Right? You want to see my cute little head? I look like the Wendy's lady. Wendy's, like if I had $1 for every time someone made a Wendy's joke about my name, Wendy. Hi, Dodie. She's a brat. I'm just kidding. I love her to bits. But what was I saying? See what you did? Just kidding. Oh yeah, the Wendy's joke. So yeah, that's pretty much. If I had $1, I used to have this kid that used to pick on me, call me Wendy's cheeseburger, Wendy's hamburgers, like all the way home. Fuck was I mad? Jesus. I was out there throwing snowballs at him and shit. Like I'd be coming in just crying. I was so mad at him. Well, that was a long time ago. Grade 6, Stone Plain Elementary. Way back when. Yeah, actually, it's funny, the people that you run into, I can't remember where I seen my old principal. His name was Mr. Kewen. Where did I see him? He looked the exact same, but a little bit whiter hair. That's it. And he still had the same, like he had perfect hair. That's about how I remember. He had like just like perfect hair. It was just like, and yeah, it was some good times in there. I met a lot of friends there who I'm still friends with Facebook and here spiritually. And ew, what the hell is that? Did you snot on my leg there, Farwad? Where are you? Are you guys done your sandwich?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, it's time to go to bed.
I want more. I want more.
Can you get off of there, please?
I want more.
You want more? Okay. Okay, go in there and I'll go make it. I'll bring it, okay? Okay, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Hey, get over here. Give me a kiss. I'll make you one. Yes, I will. Don't breathe on me. Just kidding. Freeze. Again. 1, 2, 3.
Budgie.
Get out of here before I bite your butt cheeks. Get out of here. Be doing a little jig over there.
Budgie.
Okay, you can just get. My channel stealer should have a Maxim channel. Get out of here. Go. No, you're in there. Fuck. I hate when they figure out the baby gigs. Oh. Done? You didn't. But anyhow, you should see what a day in life with me is like. Like, you know? I I know. I know. I know. I know. Ah! What happened to your foot? What happened? Oh, did you stub your toe? Did you stub your toe? Huh? Beto, Beto, Beto. Someone stubbed his toe. Hey? Where? Which one? You okay? Okay, I can sit better. Where? Where? Oh, look. It's broken. She cut it off. Should we cut it off? Yeah? Just kidding. Okay, go. But, oh yeah. Why'd you bring the lettuce up if you had a jam sandwich? Bedtime snack, what? 11 minutes. Anyways, I didn't even remember what I was going to say now. Blah, blah, blah. Kind of reminds me clean elementary.
Hey!
Hold on, I need to defrost these. Excuse me. Get out of here, fartwad. Good old brown old fartwad. What was his new name? Oh yeah, did I say it? Oh yeah, I did last time. Hey there, foreskin. Get out of there! You plastic. Still. Start. You okay? Well then get, what is under, it's your truck. Get your truck out of there.
Hey, Dad.
What?
Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad. 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 He's Dad. He's Dad. He's Dad. He's Dad.
Alright.
My Dad.
Oh, just a, oh, it's
My
just a
Dad.
little
No
tiny
way.
public
No,
comment.
no. My Dad. My Dad. Yeah, Dad.
Coffee addicts here. Sorry.
My Dad. My Dad.
Still sober. Still sober, still winning. Excuse me, please don't smack the dog in the face. How would you like that? Could be a good old scratch. Just kidding. Get your wiper out of my ass. Ew. I'll drink it anyways. Did you fart or was that fart hole? I smell it. Can't tell which is which now.
A poop.
Done?
Poop.
Do you smell poop?
Yeah.
Where? Oh my god.
You.
My room? What?
You.
It's probably in my room. Let's go do this upon closer inspection. Oh, it is. What is that? What is that? A balloon? That's definitely not a stick. It's questionable. Left a trail. You should have seen this fat shit he took earlier. Almost. Can you clean up that shit out of my room, please? So you're just sitting there doing nothing with your thumb up your ass. Anyhow. Today's my dog shit looks like. Today's my dog poot. Looks like, should have seen it. I took a picture of it actually. He's very talented. So he's like, boop. I don't know, I look over and then all of a sudden there's like two pieces that like came out like Play-Doh. He's like, boop, and stood straight up. Boop. And then I'm like, can't you use the slip and slide? What? And then so he goes does his last little rabbit pellet, sticks it on the slip and slide. But yeah, I was quite impressed. It didn't look like a turtle or an alligator. So that is classified information. Classified. What's your problem? Huh?
Okay.
Excuse me.
We go.
I have to wait for one. Ooh, it's pretty hot. Oops. Oops. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Did you clean up that shit yet? This is the part where it's like no response is the best response. Can you clean up the dog poop in my room? Clean it up or I'm going to break your TV. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Kind of hear you. You fucking heard me. You're talking to me.
Weird dog.
Go use the toilet paper. Use it sparingly. No, this one. Ooh, it stinks. Hurry up. I can smell it. I'm going to throw right the frick up. Hurry, run. Just kidding. Oh. How about a hot, we can pretend it's pancakes. I ordered a toaster. I don't even know where it is. Fuck, I ordered that thing like 2 months ago. I should really call them and see where it is. It's probably 17 minutes. Quit slapping my dog in the mouth. Hey there, lip lips. Stop. Smacking it with his lips. Lip, lip, lip. Hey! You hear them? It's not fun. Hey. Quit smacking my dog. Here, we'll pretend it's a baked jam sandwich. Quit slapping the dog! It's not funny. Okay, actually, you know what? You guys can just go in my room and eat. Come on, follow me. Did you clean it up? Still stinks. What happened to the Roku? Get out of here, fartwad! Get! Because they're food. Jesus. Shut this shit. Always. This is my son's cleanup job. Fucking judgy bird. Not even saying a word. Bird is not the word today. Woo! Fuck, that's gross. Stay in the room. Okay, just spent all day in there. What am I doing? Oh, yeah. I need some music. Musica. Music helps. Music helps me. Don't judge. Where is... If someone took my fucking sugar bowl, I am going to lose it! Fucking joking me. Who took my sugar bowl? Like there's fucking cups in the cupboard. They're clean. For what? Jesus. Murphy? Jesus, Murphy Brown. Hey there, farthole. What are we gonna do with those kids? We should plot. Good. That's it, we're doing it. Hey? Give him a couple scraps. The song reminds me of my little mask that I was like breaking out to. Let's see here. What else can I talk about? I guess there's some outside meetings. You know, I have to phone with the schedule. I've got some court dates coming up. Just, you know, one day at a time. One day at a time. Is there a coffee clink here? Oh, Cuphead. I have nothing really to say. Shrunken head. It's actually not that bad. Almost needs more chunky cream. I don't know. I've been talking too much. I'm going to jump off of here. I'm going to put those little shits to bed after they finish their 2-sandwich bedtime snack. And I got to watch a movie and get this old ass to bed. I'm tired, exhausted. We'll see what surprises tomorrow will bring.